What up with it, Q hollering at you. Today we're going to do a little bit of composing, but I'm going to blend it with a sample, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and play the sample real quick. We're getting this thing. I got it how I want it on the pad. Sometimes I do that too. I'll do chops and then I'll set up in a way where I just go in a sequential order anyway. Alright, so now let's go ahead and do some drums on this thing. Alright, my bad. Forgot to hit record, but I recorded some drums in here. Nothing crazy in it. Pretty straightforward. Now let's put the sample back in there. Hey, 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 hey. And now, I'm gonna blend a little bit of sample. Now I'm gonna start with a flute. I'm gonna probably change the sound, but just want to get the groove that I got in my. All right, so I don't know why I keep messing up a recorder, but I got part of my composition right here, and I'm using this right here to play set of musica. This is an Arturia 37 key. I put all this in my little book bag, so this is my little travel production kit, if you will. I also have a 49 key right here. That's from a while back. I've had that a minute. And of course you see the good old machine right there. Harmony here, harmony. Why pick one? I like both. I like composing more so on the machine than the Akai. Typically if I'm using this, I'll just straight up sampling, you know what I'm saying? I might do a little bit of composition in there, but once again, I got Complete Ultimate and all that. So when I'm really trying to do some composing stuff, I use the machine. Anyway, alright, so I ain't no keyboard expert or nothing like that, but I know just enough to get my melody out. What I got so far basically is this is what was in my head. Something like that. So let's hear what I got so far, and I'm gonna add on to it. Now I'll change the sound to something else here in a second. It's live. We going right to it. Alright. So I just record those last few notes in there. You know what I might actually do? I actually do like the way that sounds a little bit. So let's go in here. Put a little effect on there. Nothing too crazy though. Tweak some stuff in here and get it right. And see, I don't want it to do that much. Go in here. I want it to be a little bit more air. I don't want it to be so up front like that. There we go. There we go. And turn that wide a little bit more. Then I'm gonna go to my old grid here. play that. And what I'm gonna do is create me another track, add me another plugin, go in here, and I'm gonna do a paste. And I haven't really tried this before, so let's see. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay. So cut that because I pasted in the wrong place. So we got to move the playhead. Let's move the playhead back here. And I guess I'll let y'all see a little bit what's going on. My bad. And I can paste it right there. Now. Let's go through some sounds. And actually, I might have to move. So, let's see what we got. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Let's turn it up a little bit. Yes, sir. Okay. Now pair it with the flute. All right, let's hear what we got. And without the sample, it's pretty plain, pretty dry. You know what I'm saying? So add a little bit of layering. Okay, now we're gonna go through. We're gonna add another little plug-in in here. And I ain't had no issues with memory, I ain't gonna lie. I always like more power because I'm a tech nerd, but darn, will it pop up? But yeah, the memory usage ain't high at all, man. So I can add a bunch more. That's the whole point. I don't know what I might put in. Sounds kind of crowded up there, but I could. Hold on now, hold on now, hold on, hold on. Hold on now. Okay. Hold on, we might got some now. I'm gonna add some more voices to it or something. Now, one could argue it's getting a little crowded up in that upper range. Kind of like the separation the choir had. It sounds a little too up front. I want it. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I like that. I like that right there. Okay, what if I turn the attack up a little bit? Hold on now, hold on. There we go. Now we're starting to build more and more to the point where we almost don't need our original sample. I'm gonna copy that, go to another track. We gotta make sure the playhead is at the start. So I can go ahead and paste this thing real quick. But I'm gonna transpose this. Oh Lord. Where did I start? Okay, that's all I wanted to see. All right, now let's go down. Okay, Fabric Excel, what you got? Let's see. Let's see. Got a hard lead there. Now it's getting crowded. Now let's see what we got going on. Yeah. And also do that as well. Shout out to, oh my God. Trying to do a shout out for getting people's name, man. I apologize. I think it's Georgia Muscle. He been doing some videos with EA Ski. Shout out to him. But they was talking about how sometimes they'll use a sample to kind of build up the base, the foundation, use the inspiration from it, and then end up taking the whole sample out, you know what I mean? And then you got your beat without the sample. Because originally it was... So there we go. That's with the sample. And then let's add it piece by piece. But all that to say, I do the same thing as well sometimes, man. Cut it up a little bit. Just little subtle pieces, but it just builds up over time. Yeah. It's clean. Last little piece. Now take out the sample. I might add something else in there. Find this little plug. Hey. Just so we can hear it a little bit. Okay, there we go. And that's what I just did right there. Yeah. Keep building on that thing. Might add some a little lower. I actually like that solo. I might do a different melody. Oh Lord, I didn't check out my whole thing. Hold on. Oh yeah. know I did it a little different the second time. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's go back through. Ah, shoot. Cut that real quick. Let's re-record that. Oh my God, I messed up again. Nah, we keep it live, baby. Well, not all the way live. I've been messing up the recording. I ain't gonna hold you. All right, let's go right here. Boom, boom. All right. Anyway, everything back in there. Let go. Hey. Turn that on plus. But anyway, man, just having fun. Once again, vibing, grinding it out, doing my thing, having a good time. Thank you for stopping through. Thank you for chilling with your boy for a little bit. And until next time, peace.